Thinking of renting or selling your home in 2025? The property market is competitive, and first impressions are everything. In today's video, we'll walk you through practical, cost-effective home improvements to make your property more appealing to buyers and tenants alike. 1. Curb appeal is key. Let's start with curb appeal. Whether you're selling or renting, the front of your home sets the tone. A fresh coat of paint on the front door, a clean pathway, and some potted plants can work wonders. Make sure the garden is well kept. Even a quick tidy up makes a difference. 2. Neutral interiors sell best. Next, interior decor. Neutral colors are your best friend. They create a blank canvas that allows potential buyers or tenants to imagine themselves living there. Whites, beiges, and soft grays work brilliantly. 3. Declutter and depersonalize. It's important to declutter and depersonalize. Remove family photos, excessive decorations, and anything that might make the home feel too lived in. You're creating a space others can visualize as their own. 4. Focus on the kitchen and bathroom. Buyers and renters often judge a home based on the kitchen and bathroom. If a full renovation isn't possible, small updates go a long way. Replace old cabinet handles, update light fixtures, or regrout and reseal around sinks and baths. 5. Energy efficiency matters in 2025. In 2025, energy efficiency is a big deal. People are more conscious of their bills and environmental impact. Simple updates like double glazing, draft proofing, and even installing a smart thermostat can increase your home's appeal. 6. Fix the little things. Don't overlook the small stuff. A leaky tap or squeaky floorboard might seem minor to you, but to a potential buyer or tenant, it signals poor upkeep. Make a list and sort those easy fixes before viewings begin. 7. Add a touch of staging. Finally, add a touch of home staging. A well-placed mirror, a vase of fresh flowers, or a throw on the sofa adds warmth and appeal. These details help people emotionally connect with the space. So there you have it, practical ways to boost your home's rentability or resale value in 2025. Focus on presentation, neutral decor, energy efficiency, and those key spaces like the kitchen and bathroom. With a few smart updates, you can make your property stand out. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell for more home improvement advice. See you in the next one.